At DCS Techno Services Private Limited, we've always believed in being close to our customers, not just in words, but in action. And that's why we're excited to announce the opening of our new service workshop in Chennai. Dedicated to supporting diaphragm wall rigs operating across this dynamic region. This facility is fully equipped to service, repair, and rebuild critical components like gearboxes, mud pumps, and cutting wheels. The lifeline of your diaphragm wall cutting equipment. What sets us apart? Our expert technicians have been trained at Wongkang Limited in Korea, a world leader in diaphragm wall rig components. Backed by genuine spare parts sourced directly from Wongkang, we ensure reliability and rapid turnaround times, so your machines are back in action faster, minimizing downtime. From the heart of Chennai, we're here to support India's growing infrastructure needs with quality service, technical strength, and global partnerships. DCS Techno Services, powering progress, one solution at a time.